All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are all doing good. A digital hi to everyone. And let's get started. Today, we have a very, very special trainer on board, Sonu Singh, who is an image consultant and who would be dealing primarily with your media image, your public interactions, and everything else. So I hope you have your pen and paper handy. She would be taking over from here. So I think she's joining. There is some network buffer. Let's just wait for her to join. Hi, Sonu.
Hi, Harry. How are you? Good evening, everyone.
I am good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. Is my audio video both fine?
The audio is buffering a little. There is some gradual, but I think it will get better with time. I guess it's that sort of a space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just...
Sonu, you look lovely as always. The color is looking great on you. And on that note, I would like you to take over because I think the women are here to just listen to you, So over to you. Welcome on board. It's an absolute pleasure having you here. And like I said, ladies, she will be dealing everything that you need to know, how to behave offline, and of course, how to behave like a celebrity and build a brand image for yourself. So over to you, Sonu.
Thank you so much, Harry, and good evening, each one of celebrities sitting in front of me. It's my privilege to be here and speak to all of you and make you understand that in pageantry, why media presence or media interaction is so important. Okay, so I'm sure you all must be excited and you all must be all well prepared in terms of taking down your notes, because I'll be giving you a very step-by-step process as to how you can enhance your media presence, build an image, and also leverage that during this entire process of the pageantry that you will be going through. तो ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक दिन बस अपने आप को प्रमोट करो एंड आप क्राउन ले लो एंड देन यू आर डन. ये हर रोज का काम है. Okay, this is a work which you need to do every single day, consistent enough for us to see you and for your viewers and people to see you, because understand. So let me understand one thing from all of you. Public image का क्या मतलब आता है? What do you think? What is public image, or what is media relations, or what is media presence? Any of these words, सारे words एक सबका एक ही मतलब है. तो आप उसको media relation बोल लो, media image बोल लो, public image बोल लो. क्या समझते हो आप? What do you understand? Anybody, just raise a hand. Just raise a hand and let me know. Virtual hand like this, or your reactions. Yes, Saloni, go ahead. Please unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, Saloni, I can. Please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, according to me, public image is something when you connect to a public through a medium. Like you go outer circle, like when you are with your family, you only get to know your family members and relatives. But through a medium, you'll get a platform where you can connect with everyone out there, right? So that is something a public image.
तो आपका कोई public image है? Do you have a public image?
Right now अभी इतने नहीं connect नहीं हो पाई हूँ लोगों के साथ, पर हाँ जल्दी होगा.
But Saloni, and to all of you, आप लोग already एक public image में आ चुके हो. Okay? तो पहली बात तो आप ये सोच लो कि जब आपने एफसीआ का वो पैजेंट या क्राउन जब एक्सेप्ट किया कि आप सब एक फैसिलिटेशन में आने वाले हो, ठीक है, आप एफसीआ के फैसिलिटेशन क्राउनिंग सेरेमनी में आने वाले हो, मतलब आप लोग सिटी लेवल, स्टेट लेवल और एट द नेशनल लेवल आप एक विनर रहे हो. तो आप अगर अपने सिटी लेवल या स्टेट लेवल पे भी आप अगर विनर हो, Sorry. I don't dare.
Sonu, I'm so sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to clarify. Ladies, this is a Sonu Singh specialized training session, and this is for batch A only. Do not get confused with the interactive session jo kal hai. So in case you come for that, that's a different one. So there might be a link mix up there. So kindly please check because I can see some people who are not from batch A. Please check the links properly and check the messages properly. Over to you, Sonu. So sorry for interrupting.
नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो ठीक है, तो जब आप किसी भी लेवल पे आप जब विनर हो, किसी भी लेवल पे जब आपको क्राउन मिल रहा है, तो आप ऑलरेडी एक पब्लिक इमेज हो एफसीआर के. ओके, एफसीआर एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको मिली है, एफसीआर के थ्रू आप ये विनर हो, एफसीआर के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप क्राउन होंगे. तो एफसीआर के जो ऑडियंसेस है या एफसीआर के जो आपके जो मीडिया पार्टनर्स हैं या एफसीआर के जो जजेस हैं, ज्यूरी है, एफसीआर के जो भी लोग कनेक्टेड है, वो सब आपका प्रोफाइल चेक कर रहे हैं, वो सब आपका मीडिया प्रेजेंस भी चेक कर रहे हैं, वो सब कुछ आपका सोशल मीडिया जो पर्टिकुलरली सोशल मीडिया जो है आपका, वो सब चेक हो रहा है. So you all are already a public figure, you all are already a public image, and you all are already in that celebrity zone. So when you are already in the celebrity zone, it's very important that you take care of your social media presence. And plus, when you have media interaction in terms of मीडिया बाइट्स जो आपको देने हैं या स्निपेट्स ऑफ इंटरव्यूज जो आपको देने पड़ेंगे व्हेन यू विन द क्राउन एंड यू आर देयर इन द पेजेंट्री ऑन द फिनाले, तब भी जिस तरह का आप इंटरव्यू देंगे, कैसे देंगे, क्या देंगे, वो सब आपको ध्यान में रखना है. राइट, वेरी सिंपल. सो पहली एंड फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग तो आप ये समझ लीजिए कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पब्लिक इमेज बनानी है, आपका ऑलरेडी एक पब्लिक इमेज है. नाउ वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन एनहांसिंग दैट पब्लिक इमेज. सो व्हाट डू वी नीड टू वर्क अपॉन? What do we need to work upon if we want to enhance our public image? What do we need to work upon? Anybody? Just raise a hand. कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, कुछ भी हो, मैं कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछूं, आप चाहे, there is nothing right and there is nothing wrong. ठीक है, there is no right and wrong answer when I'm asking you a question. It's all about what you understand as per public image or media relations and anything. I'm here to guide you. I'm not here to say that you are right or you're wrong. Okay? Yes, Riya, बोलिए.
Okay, hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. You're looking pretty. Yes, my queen, tell me.
Yeah, so I think by public image, it's like how do you represent yourself? Like everything you carry, the confidence, your outer self, like how much groomed you are, and also how do you represent yourself? How do you carry yourself? How your personality is, how you are dressed up. So it's about how people will look up to you, how you will inspire others. So that's how I understand my public image.
Great, Riya. So अब जब आपको ये सब करना है तो आप कैसे करोगे? How will you do it? How will you showcase that?
Okay, so मुझे जो लगता है कि पर्सनली बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट रहना चाहिए, जो कि हमें लगता है अभी हम हो चुके हैं इतने सारे ट्रेनिंग्स के बाद. ऑल्सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बस उठ के चले जाए. वी शुड ऑल्सो टेक केयर अबाउट हाउ वी लुक बिफोर गोइंग समवेयर, हाउ वी आर ड्रेसिंग अप आवरसेल्फ, एंड ऑल्सो जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं उनको कितना इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है कुछ भी चीजों के ऊपर, या फिर कितना कॉन्फिडेंटली हम है उस चीज में. तो ये सब चीज.
Great. So Riya, you are correct, but the answer that I was looking forward to is social media, right? So when you are on social media पे आप ऐसा क्या करोगे कि आपकी एक इमेज बने? Because understand, आप ऑलरेडी एक इमेज पब्लिक फिगर हो चुके हो. आप मानो ना मानो, आप अपने घर में जब आपने बोला कि मुझे वो क्राउन मिलने वाला है, आपके फैमिली ने 10 लोगों को बोला होगा, 10 से 20 लोगों तक जाएगी कि हाँ, रिया, ईशा, प्रवंती, मौली, सलोनी, रेचल, नंदिनी, आशी, आयांतिनी एंड श्रुति, आप सबको क्राउन मिलने वाला है. तो ऑलमोस्ट 20-25 लोग ऑलरेडी अब तक जान चुके होंगे, अगर मैं सबसे छोटा सर्कल भी समझू तो. बट आपका जो सोशल मीडिया है, चाहे इंस्टाग्राम पेज है, चाहे आपका फेसबुक पेज है, यूट्यूब चैनल है, और ट्विटर हैंडल है, कुछ भी है, wherever you are active, now that page needs to get much more professional. Okay, that page needs to tell all about what you are going through in this pageantry, plus who you are as a person. तो जब सोशल मीडिया पे आप आते हैं, तो सबसे पहली चीज, the number one tip to enhance your media presence is don't fake. कुछ भी fake मत करिए, right? Whatever you are, be the original you. Authenticity counts. क्योंकि अगर आप ऑथेंटिक नहीं रहेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली जब आप फेस टू फेस किसी के भी सामने आ जाए, सी बोलने के लिए दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है, बट इफ यू सी दुनिया बहुत ही ज्यादा छोटी है आजकल। ओके, इट्स वेरी वेरी स्मॉल एंड सोशल मीडिया ने उसे और भी छोटा कर दिया है। तो अगर आप एक मीडिया पे एक अलग रूप दिखाएंगे एंड इन रियलिटी आप एक अलग रूप दिखाएंगे, सो दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क। क्यों? बिकॉज आपकी वो नेचुरल आदत में आ जाएगी कि whenever you are on media, whenever you are on social media, you have a different face. Whenever you are in reality, you have a different face. Now, after a month, when you are coming to this real world, जहाँ पे आप real platform पे आएंगे, तो वहां मुझे वही इंसान दिखना चाहिए जो मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे दिख रहा है। क्योंकि मैं तो आपको सोशल मीडिया से जानती हूँ ना। अगर मैं रिया का हैंडल देखूं, ईशा का हैंडल देखूं, प्रवति का हैंडल देखूं, तो मैं उसको उसी तरह समझूंगी। लेकिन अगर ये सारे लोग बिल्कुल ही अलग दिख रहे हैं एकदम से अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल से, कि भाई रियलिटी में आते हैं तो बिल्कुल ही अलग हो जा रहे हैं, तो दैट्स अ शॉकर फॉर मी एंड दैट्स अ शॉकर फॉर द होल वर्ल्ड एंड दैट इज टेकिंग यू डबल पेन। वो आपके लिए एक दोहरी चीज हो जाती है कि आपको दो दो चीजें करनी पड़ती है। So number one thing is, please, if you are on social media, use it for your advantage. Don't fake, right? The second thing that you need to do when you want to enhance your social media during this pageantry is, आप every single day जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप फिटनेस में, चाहे आपके सेशंस हो, चाहे आपने आज न्यू मेकअप ट्राई किया हो, चाहे आप अपने कपड़े डिसाइड कर रहे हो, try to put it up, try to show it up through stories, through reels, through post, tagging each one of us so that understand, आप जब उस सोशल मीडिया पे हो, आपके जितने फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपको काफी सारे लोग अब इन्फ्लुएंसर की तरह देख रहे हैं। They are influenced by your life. They are really looking up to you, understanding, okay, she is in the pageant, तो क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है। उसमें काफी सारे ऐसे लड़कियां भी होंगी जो आपके आपके जैसा बनना चाहती होंगी। They would like to participate, so they would like to know what actually happens. Okay, so every single day do post about it. And the third thing that you need to do is, if you are wearing somebody else's brand, or if you are showcasing something, if you are trying up a makeup learned by somebody from the people, then do tag them and give them credit. That's it. Now, the formula that I would like you all to understand in a very simple format, which will help you both in your social media presence and in your media interviews, are called, सबको ABCD आती है? Everybody knows ABCDE. सबने स्कूल में पढ़ा है, right? So this is called ABCDE of image management, where A stands for appearance, B stands for behavior, write it down. B stands for behavior, C stands for communication, D stands for digital presence, and E stands for etiquette. तो ये जो ABCDE है of image management, which you need to practice every single day. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आज आपने सिर्फ अपीयरेंस पे काम किया, कल आप सिर्फ बिहेवियर पे काम करोगे, थर्ड डे आप सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन पे काम करोगे। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. योर ABCDE शुड बी वर्किंग इक्वली एवरी सिंगल डे, बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग इट इन योर प्रैक्टिस, तो जैसे आपको शैलजा ने वॉक सिखाई है, वीडियो शेयर किए हैं कि हाउ टू वॉक, हाउ टू पोज, हाउ टू स्टैंड. So if you are not practicing every single day, you will not be able to ace that when you are on the ramp. Similarly, if you are not practicing your ABCDE every single day, on the day of the finale, you will flunk. अगर मीडिया बाइट्स आपको देनी है, उसमें आपका कम्युनिकेशन, आपका बिहेवियर एंड आपका अपीयरेंस तीनों इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. I will share a link with Harry. She will share it. That's available on YouTube. If you can also go and check, where Manushi Chiller and two others were giving their media interview. What you need to check in that video is these 5 things: appearance, behavior, communication, etiquette, and their digital presence. Okay, D you might not be able to check there, but the rest of the 4 factors is what you need to check. The poise with which the ladies sit, okay, the pace at which they talk, the kind of eye contact or the facial expression that they maintain, the eye contact that they have, the smile that they have, the expression, the hand movement, everything. Okay, now talking about appearance, your appearance should be perfect every single day. Simple. आप आज आप मिस की कैटेगरी में है, मिसेस की कैटेगरी में है, whichever category you are in, please अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर आप मीडिया पे दिखना चाहते हैं या आप मीडिया बाइट्स भी लेना चाहते हैं, तो एवरी सिंगल डे अगर आप उस अपीयरेंस में नहीं रहेंगे, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, एट द डी डे, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू ईट इट. वो आपको बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल लगेगा. So a light makeup, a proper, dressing appearance, a perfect hair is what you need to practice every single day. Okay. Behavior may you need to practice your body language. You have to do it. How much your hand should move, how much your eyes should move, how much your mouth should move, how much your legs should move, everything counts. Okay. So if I tell you a perfect way of sitting, so all of you are sitting here, right? So somebody, Rachel, I will request not to sit like this. Please don't sit like this, okay? Don't be so stiff also. So Pravati, I would not like you to sit just leaning to the wall. I would not like you all to sit like that. Molly, don't be so poker face, okay? Have a smile on your face. That is very important. क्योंकि ये आपका natural self नहीं है. आपका natural self वही है जो मुझे यहाँ दिख रहा है. तो आपको वो चीज नेचुरली आपके अंदर लाने के लिए आपको डेली प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. एंड मोली, थोड़ा फोन ऊपर रखिए. Just keep the level of the phone a little higher so that it comes at your eye contact. Otherwise, you are looking like this and you are completely poker face. You have done such a beautiful makeup and hair and dress, everything, but still it's not coming out. Okay? तो आप लोग को every day अपने appearance and अपने behavior पे work करना पड़ेगा, जहां you look like that, queen. समझ में आ रहा है? किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन अभी तक? राइट. तो अपीयरेंस में आपका आपकी जो क्लोथिंग होगी, आपका जो ग्रूमिंग होगा, आपका जो हेयर स्टाइल होगा, आपका जो न्यूड मेकअप होगा, ये 4 चीज आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. बिहेवियर में आप अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज के ऊपर कंट्रोल रखेंगे. राइट. सो डोंट बी सो स्टिफ, डोंट बी सो लूज, डोंट सिट लाइक दिस, डोंट लीन, डोंट स्लाउच, डोंट बी टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ द वॉल. What you need to sit is, you need to have a proper chair or a stool to sit. Okay, sit on a proper chair or a stool, because that will give your back that lift and straightness which is required as a queen to sit. So I like this way Saloni is sitting. Okay, she is sitting very like something straight. Her back is straight, her body is straight, her camera is right. So and her body is at an angle. So आप हमेशा ना ऐसे सीधा नहीं बैठ सकते. अगर आप इंटरव्यू देने भी जा रहे हो, अगर आप चेयर पे या स्टूल पे बैठोगे, तो यू हैव टू सिट अ लिटिल टिल्टेड लाइक दिस. क्योंकि अगर आप सीधा बैठने जाओगे तो आप सीधे पूरे पीछे ही गिरोगे. तो इफ यू वांट योर बैक टू बी स्ट्रेट एंड यू वांट योर शोल्डर्स टू बी, आज शालजा ने बोला था कि कैसे आप शोल्डर अपना सीधा रख सकते हैं, बॉडी जो एस कर्व आती है, सिमिलर वे you have to roll your shoulders, make your back straight, so that while you sitting also you can sit taller. Okay, so always sit taller. Legs, you need to don't always put one leg on the other. That is not required. How will you sit with legs crossed is this, just this much. So both your toes, your legs, palm, जो भी foot है, foot को बस एक foot को ऐसे और दूसरे foot को ऐसे cross करके ही बस आप बैठेंगे. Right? So practice these behaviors. When you will stand at one of the positions that already has been told to you. When you are giving your media bites, so if you are standing and giving a media bite, then always stand in one of the poses that has been said. If you are sitting and giving a media bite, you also practice the sitting. In which position do you want to sit so that your figure comes out the best way? Because whatever it is, pageantry is all about being your best version. It is not being showing off ki I have a perfect abs or a perfect legs or a perfect back. No, it is about being your best version, right? So this is about appearance and behavior. Eye contact. Try to maintain a straight eye contact with whomever you are talking. If you are thinking also, then don't go like this or crunch your eyes to think, or don't roll your eyes too much. So वो सारी चीजें आपको कंट्रोल करनी पड़ेगी, and ये तभी आएगी जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे. So the more you practice it in front of a mirror or recording yourself, the more it will become perfect for you. Right? Usage of hands. So हमारे hands are like our biggest enemy. What do we do with our hands when we have to talk? What do we do with our hands when we are talking? Because if we put it like this, we become so stiff. कि भैया hands तो हिल ही नहीं रहे हमारे. Or if we move too much, we feel like a Kathakali dancer. सामने कथकली हो रही है, क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या. So always hold your hands like this, one on top of each other, and put it on your lap. till the time it is not used to express any kind of a thing. So if you want to express something and exaggerate on a point, then only use your hands to do that, but restrict it to minimal. Now, how will you restrict it? So ye elbow hai, I'll just go back and show you. This is my elbow and this is my body, right? So your hand should be like fixed to your body. Only from your elbow to your hands, this much should move. Not the entire, not from your shoulder. Okay? Don't move your hands from your shoulder. You have to move your hands only from your elbow. So if you are sitting like this, so if you're sitting like this, tilted on a profile face, yeah. So your only hands that movement allowed is this much. Don't try to move this much. Okay, because this is taking a wider area and this will distract the person who is there in front of you. Okay, clear with hand movements? Right? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you are understanding. अगर किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो please मुझे बताओ. Okay, great. Now, communication, the key to your success. चाहे आप social media पे communicate कर रहे हो, through your lives, through your reels, or through your post, through your everyday tagging that you are doing, be your personal self. Okay, so अगर आप witty हो, use the wittiness. अगर आप में humor नहीं है, please मत use करो. ठीक है? So communication also should be as authentic as you are. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई कर रहा है उसको 200 लाइक मिल रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर लूं, मुझे भी 200 लाइक मिलेंगे. Don't do that, right? When you are speaking, when you are talking in front of people, the number one thing that you need to practice from today is fillers. Who will tell me what is a filler? Anybody? Who will tell me what is a filler? Nobody knows what is a filler? Yes, Saloni, tell me.
I'm giving a try, ma'am. Okay, so if you're telling two sentences together, if you add between, like how to join that, something like
That's
that.
a conjunction, Saloni. उसको conjunction बोलते हैं.
Fillers.
Okay, thank you, Saloni. That was really a good try.
Thank you.
Okay, like you understand? Do you know? अरे सुनो तो सही, समझे? यार समझ तो सही. You know, at every your sentence starts with and your sentence ends with Your sentence starts with okay, this, right? So these words, so if you are using this word, right? So I have a habit of using right a lot of time, because when I'm doing trainings, it's important for me to understand that have you understood or not. So I just use the word right at the end. So that right means stick. ठीक है? तो हिंदी के भी फिलर्स होते हैं, इंग्लिश के भी फिलर्स होते हैं, वो हिंदी इंग्लिश बिना किसी वर्ड साउंड के भी फिलर्स होते हैं. तो आपको ये काम करना है, दैट्स अ टास्क फॉर यू ऑल. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई मीट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ऑल नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हिच फिलर आर यू यूजिंग द मोस्ट. सो आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे? नाउ कॉन्शियसली अगर बैठोगे तो आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा. अनकॉन्शियसली जस्ट लेट everybody in your family, maybe anybody close, like your mom, your dad, your anybody who is closer to you, tell them, tell them कि 2 days you just notice me, right? Unknowingly, don't you just tell them कि मुझे मत बताओ, don't tell me कि you are noticing me, but you have to notice me and let me know which filler, like which word do I use the most. जो तकिया कलाम बोलते हैं ना, तो filler is something like a तकिया कलाम. So tell them to identify a filler for you, because what happens when we are consciously identifying it, we might skip that filler and go ahead. But when we are in our unconscious mind, जब हम in flow बोलते हैं, तब वो filler हमारे दिमाग में आता है. ठीक है? तो आप अपने फैमिली में किसी भी एक जन को बोलोगे कि 2 दिन मुझे नोटिस करें, and बताना नहीं है कि मैं नोटिस कर रही हूँ, but you know कि they are noticing, and the word which you use the most, you have to identify that, and then you have to eliminate that. So by the time you will come down for your next session, or by the time you come for your media presence and media bites, you will be off your fillers. Now how do you replace your fillers? Now आपको पता तो चल गया ये मेरा filler है, so how do I replace it? वो भी तो टेक्निक सीखनी है ना. So filler का replacement होता है pause या तो full stop. So if you think I say a lot of filler in between or at the end, at that moment, consciously, I will pause. I'll pause for a second so that that filler does not come. Filler aata isliye hai because it is making you think the next line. You know, so what do you do? आप एक line बोलते हो, फिर next line सोचते हो, तो उसी वक्त वो filler आ जाता है कि कुछ तो मुंह से निकले, right? कि सामने वाले को लगेगा कि यार बोल ही नहीं रहा है, but that is not important. A pause is more stronger than a filler. So if you are pausing for a second, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so communication में सबसे important चीज होती है filler को eliminate करना and to have a constructive flow of words, and that will only happen when you have practiced your lines well. So there are 2-3 questions which people in media generally ask you. So just note it down. So either people will ask you, how are you feeling today? You know, so this is the first question that people ask. How are you feeling today winning this crown? The second question people may ask, tell us about your journey through this pageantry. Okay, the first question is, how are you feeling winning the crown? The second question stands, tell us about the journey through this pageantry. The third question that people generally ask in media whenever they take interviews is, how was your, association with FCR, right? So how was your association with FCR? Or people may ask some related questions for FCR also, ki, to test that how prepared are you, कि आप कितना जानते हैं FCR के बारे में and all those things. So वो भी एक question हो सकता है. The final question which I can gauge, which comes generally through media person is, what is your future plan, or what is your goal? What is next apart from crown? Are you looking for media, or are you looking for Bollywood? Whatever questions. So go to Google and, or even think what questions can I be asked in a pageantry. Write down those questions and write down the answers of that questions. Okay? That answer should not be more than 3 to 4 lines. किसी को PhD नहीं चाहिए, किसी को history नहीं चाहिए, किसी को यहाँ पे आपकी life story नहीं सुननी है. Make it a concise, crisp 3, 4, 5 lines maximum. In 5 lines, write down these answers so that whenever you are asked any question by the media, you are able to answer them very confidently, right? And practice them every single day. So as you practice the walk in front of a mirror, similarly, after just finishing your walk practice, just answer these questions for yourself. So when you are doing it in the mirror, you will see how much your eyes rotate, how much your hands move, how much your body is moving, how much are you shifting your leg from one place to another. So that is called an elephant shift. So when you are standing on one leg and then again you are shifting on the other leg and then again you are shifting on the other leg, that is called the elephant switch. Okay, so don't do that much. That is very, very distracting. Don't move like a pendulum whenever you are answering questions. So, people have a habit of moving like this, or they have a habit of moving like this. So check all these things that you are doing in natural sense and put a stop to it. This will help you in your future goals also. So in future, if you are planning to go for any interview, or in future you are making public appearances, in future you are getting associated with brands and other stuff, these all tips will help you grow in your future too. Right now, digital presence. So this was about appearance, behavior, communication. 3 important things which will help you both in your social media presence and your digital presence, or in your media bites also. Your etiquette, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you enter a room, the way you smile, the way you greet people, the way you shake hand, the way you sit, the way you stand, everything, the way you even stir your tea, the way you even eat your food, the way you even hold your fork and knife, everything counts in etiquette. Cool. So every single day, little by little, it's not about that हर कुछ आपको आज ही कर लेंगे, but every single day ये 5 चीज जो है ABCDE image management का आपको अपने लिए देखना है, because understand ये 1 महीना आपका learning phase है. तो अगर आप इस 1 महीने में learn करते हो, practice करते हो, daily उसको अपने lifestyle में लाते हो, तो वो आपका एक natural self बन जाता है. फिर आपको किसी को सिखाने या बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि अरे यार ये स्पून ऐसे नहीं पकड़ते, या ये खाना ऐसे नहीं खाते, या नूडल्स को ऐसे नहीं स्लर्प करते, सूप को ऐसे नहीं पीते, right? So if anybody wants to understand how you can have a proper dining, wining, or business etiquette, you can let me know. You can let Harry know. We can have a session on that also. So that will become easier for you to conduct yourself when you are physically present in front of people. Excitement दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है, excited होना बहुत जरूरी है, but आप queens हो, आप public figure हो, आप public image है आपका एक, तो आप ये ऐसे करके excited नहीं हो सकते. Okay, you can't go monkeying, you can't you can't just run here and there all over the space. You have to be controlled. You have to show that excitement through your walk, through your smile, through your gestures, through the way you talk, and through the way you meet people. Don't monkey around anywhere, because that is not required. Right now, in terms of your digital presence, a few things that I would like you all to understand is, whenever you are posting anything on the digital media, always post a good high resolution picture. Okay, always post a good high resolution picture. चाहे वो आपने OTT और OOTD कर रहे हो, या आप अपने food का picture कर रहे हो, या आप अपने exercise का कर रहे हो, या आप अपने pageantry के दौरान इस training का कर रहे हो, screenshot लेके आप post कर रहे हो. Always post a high and good quality picture. The second thing that you need to do is always tag people related to that picture. Just don't post it like that. Tag people related to that picture, because everybody is seeing you. The outfit that you are wearing today has to be tagged, because आप चाहे local market से लेकर आए हो, या आप local business से acquire कर रहे हो, या आप H&M से लेके आ रहे हो, that needs to be tagged, because understand, every celebrity has that control to leverage other brands, and brands always like to collaborate and associate with people who can leverage them. तो अगर आपको फ्यूचर में ब्रांड एसोसिएशन चाहिए, अगर आपको फ्यूचर में चाहिए कि ब्रांड्स मुझे अप्रोच करे टू लेवरेज देयर थिंग ऑन माय पेजेंट्री, सो इवन एफसीआ हो या कोई और पेजेंट में आप जाना चाह रहे हो, या कुछ भी करना चाह रहे हो इन टर्म्स, तो आप ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो आपको जरूर से ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. और रीपोस्ट करिए. तो अगर प्रगति ने आपको टैग करके डाला है, या एफसीआ को टैग करके डाला है, तो आप सब इस ट्रेनिंग में हो एज अ पब्लिक फिगर, तो यू ऑल कैन रीपोस्ट दैट सेम पोस्ट. Okay, so keep a check. Use proper hashtags. Use proper hashtags which will leverage your account, right? And don't post anything which is unethical, inappropriate, and illegal on social media. Because understand, you are a celebrity. Celebrities can't do that. Your personal life, you might be very keen on, anything. That is absolutely your decision. But when you are a celebrity, when you are on FCA platform, when you are tagging FCA, when you are tagging Soulful Impressions, when you are tagging Sakshi, when you are tagging Shalja, whomever you are tagging, please understand, don't post anything which should not go as a post on social media, even on your page. Okay, so that about digital presence, and be courteous. Say thank you when people post about you or tag you and all those things. Be courteous, be humble, be polite. Because when a beauty pageant is not only about your beauty, but a pageant is also about your inner beauty, inner self. We all are looking forward to that, humble, warm, friendly kind of a girl who comes up and wins that crown. Because after that crown comes responsibility. You will be attached to NGOs. You will be working with people. You will be, you will be going to Rotary clubs to give your lectures or whatever it is. So it's all about how warm and welcoming you are. And that all can be seen through your social media. ठीक है? किसी को कुछ confusion है अभी तक? Thank you, Saloni, for that sweet smile.
Ma'am, one doubt I have.
हाँ, Shruti, बोलो.
So I was just wanting to know, as you suggested, that we have to post a photo that is of good quality and high resolution. So, since 3 days, I was posting regarding fitness challenge for 30 days. So accordingly, so when I was posting it in Reels, so I was converting into a video Reels. So it lowered down the quality. When I captured it in camera, so it was good. But when I converted it into Reels, so it did not go that well, as in quality wise. Accordingly, how do I?
So श्रुति, अगर आप कोई भी फोटो को जब वीडियो में कन्वर्ट करते हो, उसकी रेजोल्यूशन ऑलरेडी कम हो जाती है. ठीक है? तो अगर आपको वीडियो पोस्ट करनी है तो आप वीडियो ही शूट करो. A quick 30 second, 15 second video, just shoot that and then post it directly.
Yeah,
So
that
shoot
is
it from Insta and post it.
okay.
Yeah.
Directly from Instagram. ठीक है.
Yes, directly from Insta. Choose a trending music, because without that, Insta will not give you that leverage. तो algorithm wise, अगर आपकी video quality या audio quality या image quality कम होती है, then किसी भी platform का algorithm आपको push नहीं करेगा.
Okay. Right. Obviously.
तो हमेशा ट्राई टू, अगर वीडियो है तो वीडियो मोड पे ही शूट करो. अगर ऑडियो है, अगर हाँ DSLR कैमरा है जो एकदम 500 मेगापिक्सल पे जो भी है शूट कर रही है, देन उसको आप वीडियो पे कन्वर्ट करो, थोड़ा बहुत वो होता है तो चलता है. बट फोन की क्वालिटी भले लोग बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा है, बट स्टिल जब आप उसको वीडियो कन्वर्ट करोगे वो क्वालिटी रेजोल्यूशन कम हो जाती है.
Right. I got
Great.
Thank
So all my queens, the three major things that you need to do with social media presence and media presence is be purposeful. जो भी आप डालो एक पर्पस के साथ डालो, कि या तो वो तुम्हें बेनिफिट कर रही हो या तो वो उसको बेनिफिट कर रही हो जो आपको फॉलो करता है. कुछ भी ऐसे रैंडम मत डाल दो. Okay. The second thing that you need to do is either you are an influencer now. You are here to influence others' life. So first, make a change in your life by practicing this ABCDE daily in your life, so that it becomes a part of you, so that others who are seeing you and watching you say that yes, this is reality and she is real in every sense. And finally is don't fake it. People say fake it till make it, but please don't do that. Be the original you. अगर कहीं कहीं जैसे चीजें हैं जो आपकी प्रैक्टिस में नहीं आ रही है naturally, then वहां पे आप जरूर फेक करें, कि आप इतना प्रैक्टिस करें कि वो आपका नेचुरल सेल्फ बन जाए. ओके. एंड ये ऐसा नहीं है कि बस आप ये 30 दिन करें और 20 तारीख को क्राउन मिल गया फिर बैक टू आप नॉर्मल हो जाए. डोंट डू दैट. ओके. दिस इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग. These learnings has to be implemented with your life till the time you are alive, because there's no harm in being a better version of yourself, right? So anybody has any questions? So always remember the ABCDE. It's very simple formula, and every single day practice it as you can. So that's from my side. Back to Harry. If all of you have any question, then you can just unmute and let me know. Harry, if we have time, then we can take a few questions, please.
Yes, we can take 2 to 3 questions.
Thanks, Harry. Yeah, anybody has any question? कुछ भी पूछ लो यार. It's absolutely open forum.
हेलो
Pravati, you want to ask something? हाँ, बोलो.
या हाँ मैम, थैंक यू. आज जो आपने की बताई है ना, वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल है, और उसे मैंने तो ये पहली बार ही सुना है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अभी से ही कॉन्फिडेंस फील हो रहा है मुझे ना. ABCD का तो मुझे समझ में आ गया, ई का समझ में नहीं आया मुझे. ई का. हाँ जी.
Harry, if possible, can you keep an etiquette session with them?
Absolutely, for sure. आपने बोल दिया, हमने कर दिया.
ठीक है. So I'll take up an etiquette session with you.
और हमें बहुत खुशी हो गई.
So that you understand. बहुत खुशी हो गई. चलो, हमारे को मैं भी बहुत खुश हो गई.
मैम बहुत
चलो, thank you so
आप
much.
बिलीव करेंगे, मैं जस्ट अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही ट्रेन से उतरी हूँ और मैंने आपका ये सेशन देख के ना मुझे बहुत रिलैक्स फील हो रहा है.
ठीक है. डन. अगर किसी को कोई भी सवाल है तो आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे, फेसबुक पे, लिंक्डइन पे, यूट्यूब पे पर्सनली भी आप कहीं भी मुझे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. And I will definitely answer your all questions. So just DM me, put up a hi, and I'll answer your questions. Yeah.
Yes, I've shared Shonu's Instagram details into the chat box. Make sure you guys follow her and reach out to her in case of any queries. She would be more than happy to answer with the, such a warm attitude that she carries along. And thank you so much, Sonu. I shall see you for another batch, and I'll just have some
Sure.